At GrandGate Agency, we believe too many people treat financial progress like a lucky streak. One good week feels amazing. One bad week feels personal. Then the cycle repeats. More emotion, more second guessing, more random decisions pretending to be strategy. That gets old fast. We built GrandGate Agency for people who want something steadier. Real progress usually looks less dramatic than people expect. It is not one giant moment. It is a smarter routine. Better habits. Better timing. Better tools. Clearer decisions repeated over time. That is why we focus on clarity, support, and a platform that helps people move with purpose instead of chasing every flashy move on the screen like it owes them money. With over 3,000 instruments, 35 plus ways to fund your account, and 1.5 M plus trades and counting, GrandGate Agency gives users room to explore. But access is only part of it. We also provide AI-powered insights, real-time market tracking, fast execution, and learning resources that keep growing with you. The goal is simple. Make the process easier to stick to. The truth is, most platforms look impressive on day 1. The real question is whether they still feel useful on day 30, day 90, day 100 and beyond. That is where support matters. Expert help. Flexible tools. A platform that stays smooth when the market gets noisy. Withdrawals that stay fast and secure when you need access to your own money. That is the stuff people remember. At GrandGate Agency, we are not here to sell chaos dressed up as opportunity. We are here to help people build a better routine. A smarter process. A stronger path forward. That is how progress starts to last. That is GrandGate Agency.